Good morning, class 10. Today we are going to do chapter number 8, matrices, exercise 8.3. Question number 5. Here the values of A, B and C are given. We have to find ABC and then ACB, and we have to say whether they are equal or not. Okay, for ABC, first find AB. When you will multiply A and B, how will you multiply normally? First row into first column. Okay, so it will be plus this first row into first column. So first is 2 3s will be 6 and 1 1s are 1, so it will be subtracted. Now 2 first row second column, so it will be 4 2s are 8, 1 2s are 2, so 8 minus 2. Now 4 3s are 12, 2 1s are 2. Now again 4 4s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Now you'll find out the answer. So when after subtraction we'll get 5 6 10 and 12 matrix. After that we'll multiply it to the C matrix. So again doing the same thing. 5 3s are 15, 6 0s are 0, 5 1s are 5, 6 2s are 12, 10 3s are 30, 12 0s are 0, 10 1s are 10 and 12 2s are 24. Okay, after that again solving it out, minus 15 plus 0 will give you minus 15, 5 minus 12 is minus 7, here minus 30 and here minus 14. So we have got this answer for ABC. Now ACB, we'll write A first, then C, then B. So we'll multiply A and C first. So here we are getting minus 6, 0, minus 12 and 0. And here when you'll multiply C to it, we are getting after this minus 18, minus 24, minus 36 and minus 48. So we can see over here both the matrices are not equal. Therefore we can say ABC is not equals to ACB. Okay, next is question number 6. Here 4 sin 30, 2 cos 60, sin 90, 2 cos 0. We have to multiply this with the matrix 4 5 5 4. So first of all we should know the values of all these, sin 30, sin 90, cos 60, cos 0, that you have already done in trigonometry, okay, in class 9. So here sin 30 will be minus 1 by 2, cos 60 will be 1 by 2, again sin 90 will be 1 and cos 0 is also 1. Okay, after this we'll put the value in the matrix and then we'll get the answer. So after putting the values, that is 4 into half, 2 into half, 1 and 2 into 1. So here 2 2 will cut and 2 2s are 4. So we have got 2 1 1 2 and here 4 5 5 4. When we will multiply both the matrices again like that, 4 2s are 8, 1 5s are 5, like that we'll do all. So we are getting the answer 13 14 14 13. So this is your answer. Question number 8, we have to find out the value of 2b minus a square when a and b are given. So whenever a square is given, means you have to multiply a twice. So you have to write a twice and you have to multiply. And 2b, so you know how to find it out. I have already done with you. So you multiply 2 with b, with all the elements of b. That will be 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are minus 2 minus 2 will be minus 4 and 2 1s are 2. And here when you will multiply again normally, first row into first column, then first row into second column, second row into first column, second row into second column, like that you will get this. So it will be minus 3 0 0 minus 3. Here there is subtraction, so you will subtract all the elements. So here minus minus will become plus and minus 0, and here again minus 0 and minus minus plus 3. So your answer comes 9 minus 4, 4, 5. This is your answer. Question number 9, we have already all the three elements A, B, C again given. And we have to find A, B plus C, and then we have to find second one, B plus C multiply A. So A multiply B plus C, firstly we will add B plus C like we normally do. 2 plus 5 first element plus first element, second element plus second element, like that we'll do. We'll get 7, 2, 11, 16. Now we'll multiply first row again first column, first row second column, like that we'll do, and we get 29, 14, 65 and 30 over here. Now B plus C multiply A. Firstly you will add B plus C, then you will multiply it with A. So B plus C will give you the same answer as we have got in the first one, that is 7, 2, 11, 6. We are not going to do it again. We have done it first. Then we will write the first again 1, 2, 3, 4. So after that again 7 1s are 7, 2 3s are 6, 7 2s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 11 1s are 11, then 6 3s are 18, 11 2s are 22 and 6 4s are 24. After that you add them and we get 13, 29, 22, 46. So this will be your answer. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.